Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to stream Netflix on Discord. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open your Discord and then choose a server here. Now go to the gear icon or settings and then scroll down. You have to look for a registered games, or that is under activity. So tap this registered games right here and then click add it. Now tap this arrow facing down and then search for Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome yet, you have to add this first. And then after that, you can now go to Google Chrome and then search or log in to your Netflix account. So you have to go to Netflix, log in, and then once you're here, then you can now go back to your Discord. And then this time you have to tap Google, as you can see it right here. So you can go to a server, specific server, and then click this share screen right here. And then you have to tap the Google Chrome where you have logged in your Netflix and then change some settings here if you want. But most of this is like in the pro version. But everything is up to you if you want to change and then go live and you will see your Netflix right here. So basically, that's how to stream Netflix on Discord. So please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want us to create other tutorials, feel free to message and comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.